Imagine waking up to money you made while you slept, and all you did was set it up once. This is the system I use, with Pictory AI doing the heavy lifting. What if you could build a passive income stream with just 1 hour a week, using AI to do the heavy lifting? Okay, full honesty, when you're just starting out, it will take more than an hour. It worked for me and it can for you too. But once your systems are set up, it really can run in just 1 hour a week, and I'll walk you through how. Welcome to Automate and Elevate, where we unlock smart, simple ways to earn more and work less, especially if you're starting over or starting late. Step 1. Choose your evergreen income platform. How it makes money. Choosing an evergreen niche means your content keeps attracting views and clicks month after month, so you can earn from ads, affiliate sales, and products without starting over every week. Pick a content platform where your videos, podcasts or posts work for you 24/7. You can use 1. A faceless YouTube channel, 2. An AI-powered podcast, or 3. A newsletter, blog. I create YouTube videos with Pictory and ChatGPT. ChatGPT writes my script. Pictory turns it into a video. I just hit publish. You only need to choose one. Use ChatGPT and type, "Give me 5 video ideas about making money with AI." Then, write a 3-minute video script for idea number 1. Done. Step 2. Monetize with affiliate links plus a simple freebie. How it makes money. Your affiliate links earn commissions every time someone buys through them, and your freebie grows your email list, so you can recommend products or offers that keep generating income over time. Next, let's make your content profitable, even with 0 subscribers. Step 1. Join affiliate programs like Pictory, Canva, Amazon, etc. You'll get a custom link. Step 2. Create a simple freebie, like a checklist made in Canva. 5 AI tools for passive income. Link both in your video description or emails. Viewers click download, buy and you earn commissions. Step 3. Automate your weekly workflow. How it makes money. Automation tools do the repetitive tasks for you, so your videos, emails, and posts keep reaching people, generating views, clicks, and sales even when you're not working. Now let's keep it simple. Once you're set up, all you need is about 1 hour a week. Here's what I do. 20 minutes to create a script in ChatGPT, 20 minutes to make a video in Pictory, 20 minutes to upload and post with links. Want to do even less? Batch 3 videos at once and take the next 2 weeks off. Want a copy of my routine? Check the link in the description to download. My 1-hour passive income plan using AI includes my tool list, script prompt, and posting schedule. It took me more than an hour when I started, and that's okay. But now, I'm getting faster with every episode. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. You've got this. This is Automate and Elevate. Episode 3 drops next Thursday. New episodes every week to help you earn more and stress less with AI.